Scared.
Hey, honey.
No, not exactly. No, I'm scared.
Cutie.
Next is Sergeant Jim Egan, a real war hero. Here, this is his helmet.
Somebody's got the hiccups. You're so cute. Oh, hiccups. What are you doing? Being cute? Mommy, I'm always cute. Baby. Baby. Oh, you're so cute. Who's the cutest baby ever? I am, Mommy. Yes. Yeah. Oh, I got the smile. Yay. I love when you smile for Mama. Yeah. What are you doing? You just hanging out with Mama? Oh, I love hanging out with you, baby. You're so fun. You're so fun. Who's the cutest? I am, Mama. Yeah. Yeah. You talking to Mama? You talking? Oh, still got those hiccups, huh, baby? Yeah. What are you doing? What's the matter? What are you doing, baby? Huh? Is there a smile? You want to talk to Mommy? Yeah. Milk, milk, it's delicious. Milk, milk, it's nutritious. Milk, milk, spill it on the floor. Milk, milk, give me some more. You like the milk song? Yay! Yes, yes, yay, yay, yes, yes, there you go. Yes, I love when you smile. Smile. Smile, baby. Baby. I love you. I love you, baby. I love you, honey. You're so cute. Say, yes, Mama, I know this. You tell me all the time. Alright, baby, I love you.